Do I like pizza? Is that even a question? I think everybody likes pizza. Hi, my name is Katsuji Tanabe and I'm the executive chef of Barrio. So this is pretty much how you Mexicanize a pizza. So I'm gonna take some of these refried beans, smeared all over the pizza. You just wanna smear a little bit on the bottom. You don't wanna go that much, because then it will make it just way too heavy. Then I'm gonna take some of my salsa verde instead of my basic tomato sauce. I go again with my spatula just to smear it all over around. So now I'm gonna go with some V&V Supremo cheese, just a little bit. So if you have a cheese like V&V Supremo that it's already like good flavor, it melts nice, it's gonna make your life so much easier. This is just gonna be like my glue for my next ingredient, that will be the chorizo. So now I go back and I put some of the V&V Supremo Chihuahua, just enough to cover it and make it super cheesy. It's not a cheese that it's just gonna melt, it's a cheese that it's gonna melt, but it's gonna bring you that extra level of flavor. Then I will take some of that V&V Supremo Mexican crema. That's just what's gonna give nice touch here and there. That's gonna be my gooey component. And then the last but not the least, a little bit of cotija cheese. That's gonna be my salted component. From here, we go into the oven. The cheese is such a good quality that you get a very nice crust. You get that brown top, and then you still get that gooiness. And look at it, it looks beautiful. Mexican cooking, it's based a lot of in like charring our ingredients to bring that new set of flavors. So good. If you go to vvsupremo.com, you can actually get way more recipes than just these ones.